Alright guys, and here's the video, the comparison up close. So we have the 28-inch on top. I've got the holes right where they're lined up. So the original 28-inch, these holes are just a little bit wider, so that means when you put it on and off, it'll be a little bit easier. The bottom one's gonna be a little tighter, but it still fits. As you can see, there's a little difference there. This one's got a little bit more thickness on the back end, which I think is a good thing. And then line that up, go to the front here. As you can see, it's just longer. And then I'll go ahead and flip it around, show you the other side comparison. So we'll line this back up again, and right there, as you can see, these holes are just a little bit smaller than the other one, but it all fits and lines up perfectly. This oiler is huge. I mean, that thing is massive compared to the smaller one. So you're probably gonna have to adjust your oil to go probably more oil in order to keep it lubricated all the way around. So that's one concern, but again, we'll test that out as we get there. So here's the side by side. This is a 050, the 28-inch, and the new one is 062 or 063. I forget which one it is, but it's the thicker one. So thicker's good. And then we'll check the sprocket. Oh, nice and tight. And it's got the little oiler hole, so this is the one where you're supposed to actually put some grease in there every once in a while to keep this lubricated so it lasts longer. This original one, I don't believe had that. Yeah, it did not have that, so there's no way to grease this. I mean, you could, I guess, kind of pack it in there, but this one has a dedicated slot for that. So that's all, guys. Yeah, as soon as I get the chain, I'll do another video. I'll put the chain on, but until then, it does fit, so that's a good thing. And I'll keep you guys tuned.